Good day, I'm Lisa Rowe, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, September 25, 2024. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness is assuring world leaders that Jamaica is fully committed to the required changes necessary to meeting the needs of current generations while safeguarding the future. Dr. Holness's commitment comes on the heels of the adoption of the Pact for the Future, the Global Digital Compact, and the Declaration on Future Generations at the 79th United Nations General Assembly in New York on Sunday.
The government I lead is committed to fully engaging in a forward-thinking process of reform, leveraging data and science as tools to inform our decision-making and embedding long-term thinking into every level of policymaking.
Dr. Holness was speaking as he co-chaired Monday's summit of the Future Interactive Dialogue. The meeting was held under the theme, "The Future Starts Now, Enhancing the Global System for Current and Future Generations." The Prime Minister says there's an urgent need for a coordinated response to global challenges and called on world leaders to use the summit as a catalyst for reforms which will prepare countries for the future.
Let this moment be one of reflection, but more importantly, one of action. Together, we must seize this opportunity to ensure that the multilateral system is not just a relic of the past, but a dynamic force for inclusive progress in the 21st century.
Canada has pledged $2.6 billion as part of collective efforts to achieve stability in Haiti. Prime Minister the Right Honourable Justin Trudeau made the announcement at a high-level meeting of the Ad Hoc Advisory Group on Haiti. The meeting was held by the UN Economic and Social Council in New York on Monday. Mr. Trudeau says $2 billion will go towards prevention measures for at-risk juveniles and to help the families of young prisoners. $4 million is for the establishment of an observatory civil society group in Haiti to stop the violence. And the remaining $2 million will go towards the country's transitional process. Mr. Trudeau says this will help to address the immediate needs and to bring Haiti on a prosperous path.
This is a global effort, so I call upon every nation here and every nation not here to do their part as well.
In his response, Prime Minister of the Republic of Haiti, Gary Conille, says the country is at a crossroad.
We are facing violence and disorder, but Haiti will resist and is standing tall. I can assure you that we have unshakable faith that we will be continuing with progress. We have taken strong actions in order to restore order and the dignity of our people. We have made progress, certainly, but Haiti can't get out of this alone. I call again on the international community to continue providing us assistance, which is crucial.
Meanwhile, UN Deputy Secretary General Amina Mohammed is calling for stronger commitment to the solutions needed in Haiti.
Progress on the establishment of transitional bodies is urgently needed to ensure that the elections timeline agreed by Haitian stakeholders and the restoration of democratic institutions by February 2026 does not slip. I call on all political stakeholders in Haiti to reaffirm their commitment to the political accord and roadmap to re-establishing democratic institutions. Finally, continued international support and collaboration will be essential to ensure these political milestones are complemented by strong development policies.
In a significant move to facilitate access to inherited assets, the government has enacted the Administrator General's Maximum Value of Small Estates Amendment Order 2024. This legislation raises the threshold for small estates that can be administered without a grant of administration from $100,000 to $1.5 million. The announcement was made by Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck in Parliament on Tuesday. This legislative change aims to ease the process for beneficiaries of individuals who die intestate without a valid will, particularly those leaving behind personal property.
All estates for persons who died without leaving a will and without minor beneficiaries, but containing personality valued less than $1.5 million, can now be referred to the Administrator General's Department for collection and distribution without the need for a grant of administration. This decision to increase the limit for small estates to $1.5 million is a significant step that will allow beneficiaries to receive their entitlements in a timely manner.
The new order, which became effective on August 29, 2024, is expected to reduce the burden on both the parish and high courts, leading to fewer applications for grants of administration. This change will streamline estate management and significantly reduce legal costs for families. To take advantage of the new threshold, the AGD requires beneficiaries to submit a completed form of particulars, proof of death, proof of the asset's value, and a proof of the beneficiary's relationship to the deceased. Also coming out of Parliament yesterday is an additional $70 million to repair farm roads that were damaged by Hurricane Beryl. This complements the initial $670 million made from the farm road budget and forms part of the Hurricane Beryl Recovery Program. The announcement was made by Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining Floyd Green. He said the work should start in the next 2 weeks, focusing on the rehabilitation of 51 farm roads across all parishes.
These projects, Madam Speaker, are small road rehabilitation projects. So we have asked the teams to go out and where they have identified roads that have suffered some damage from Hurricane Beryl, especially those farm roads which were done over the last few years. We've asked that that information be passed to us so that we can do some remedial work, because we do not want to lose the gains that we have made.
Minister Green said repairs have been contracted for 21 roads, with work in progress on roads in St. Anne, St. Elizabeth, St. James, St. Mary, and Clarendon. The minister also disclosed that a further $130 million has been set aside to repair roads in the Blue Mountain Coffee Belt, to include East and West Rural St. Andrew, as well as sections of Portland and St. Thomas. An agreement has been reached between the Government of Jamaica and the Incorporated Master Builders Association, IMAJ, on critical matters involving the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. A meeting chaired recently by Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Robert Morgan, reached a consensus on key priority areas such as arbitration, outstanding payments, and claims. Minister Morgan said the team aims to maintain a positive working relationship with contractors. He informed that there were some technical issues to be worked out, which are to be finalized over the next few months. Minister Morgan reiterated the government's commitment to continue collaborating with the local contractors on road projects in an amicable manner. Both parties have agreed on follow-up discussions to track the progress of matters, which would subsequently be discussed with the main contractor, China Harbor Engineering Company, CHEC. The Integrity Commission Oversight Committee, ICOC, of the House of Representatives is set to meet with the chairman and commissioners of the Integrity Commission on Thursday, October 3, 2024. Matters concerning recent reports and oversight responsibilities related to the Commission will be high on the agenda. During the first ICOC meeting held on Tuesday, members agreed that the commissioners would provide further details regarding a special report concerning the Prime Minister's statutory declarations. Chairman of the Oversight Committee, Edmund Bartlett, expressed his anticipation for the upcoming meeting, adding that the parties have responded favorably to the date assigned. He said this is in keeping with the principle of maintaining a healthy relationship between the Integrity Commission and the Parliamentary Oversight Committee. And finally, the Overseas Examinations Commission, OEC, broke ground recently for a 4-story state-of-the-art multipurpose facility. This will be located at the OEC's Manhattan Road address in Kingston and marks a significant milestone in the history of the institution. The $1.5 billion investment is scheduled for completion in 2026. An additional $600 million will be spent on the build-out of digital infrastructure. At the recent groundbreaking, Minister of Education and Youth, Favour Williams, emphasized the importance of the project as a powerful symbol of transformation.
This is a testament to our commitment to advancing education through innovation and technology. It aligns perfectly with the Ministry of Education and Youth's Transforming Education for National Development Trend program, which is focused on driving national development through education reform, digital transformation, and modern infrastructure.
Meanwhile, OEC Chairman Brian Bennett Easy highlighted the role of the facility.
The new facility will play a fundamental role in the strategic direction and diversification of products and services of the OEC. It will greatly expand the OEC's capacity to respond to the changing environment, the changing examination landscape, and will increase the pace at which the organization can bring innovation to the administration and testing in the e-testing environment.
The facility will feature cutting-edge amenities, including computer labs, augmented and virtual reality labs, and examination rooms designed to enhance the testing experience. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lisa Rowe. Thanks for watching.